Conversion rates have definitely improved with FramePoint. If I came across somebody thinking of using it and it was not a competitor, then I would recommend FramePoint. Genuinely, it's been really, really good. It's been a game changer. My name's Andy Ford. The company's Windows of Distinction 2024 is going to be our 30-year anniversary, so we've been around a while. FramePoint gives us a big advantage competing with large companies, or any other company for that matter. Even nowadays, there are other companies that will just supply basically back of a cigarette packet type of quotation or a verbal quotation. Customers don't really know what they're getting. With a FramePoint, it's far, far clearer for a customer, and I think it gives them confidence. When they look at the prices, they can see exactly what they're getting. You know, colour of handle, style of handle, product, glass, it's all listed there and it's all really, really clear. Pricing wise, it's made a heck of a difference. It's far quicker to produce quotations now, particularly if it's a mixed quotation, like for example, a composite door and PVC windows. Before FramePoint, we'd be producing two quotations, one for PVC windows, one for composite doors, because they came from different places. Now, of course, it's all on the one system, so it does make life a lot quicker. The visualizer we find makes a heck of a difference, and customers have really, really been positive about that. Particularly on larger houses, or if customers are unsure whether colours will suit properties, etc. The visualizer is easy for us to use as well, dragging, dropping and changing the size of the windows. Very simple to do, great. We're not techie, not at all. And the team have picked that up very, very quickly. You just choose the product you want, whether it be PVC, timber, aluminium, it's all on there and it produces our own quote. It's simple. If you've got any questions you need to ask, we find that we get a response minutes usually, or hours at the latest. And it's just brilliant. Even if it's larger things such as the new aluminium doors that we've started to do, I sent a request in just the other day saying, is there any chance you could look at this range and put them on the system? And they're looking into it, and it's just great.